is about differentiation. Find the exact coordinates of the stationary point of the curve y equals e to the 2x sine 2x. So first of all, stationary point means y prime equals 0. So to find the y prime, we need to use the product rule because we have a multiplication. We have u times v, and the MF19 formula says the derivative is u prime v plus v prime u. So du dx is u prime, dv dx is v prime. So the u is e to the 2x. To find the u prime, we need to use this rule. So we get exactly the same thing, e to the power of 2x, but times 2 because of the chain rule. We have to multiply by the derivative of the power. U prime v, the v is again sine 2x. Now v prime is the derivative of sine 2x. Sine becomes cos, so we have cos 2x times 2 because of the chain rule again. So we have the derivative. Now we are solving. The derivative equals 0. So to solve something equals 0, we have to make it a multiplication, not an addition. So we're going to have to factor out things. We factor out 2e to the x here, so we have e to the x times sine x, and here if we factor out 2e to the 2x, we still have cos 2x. After we factor out 2e to the 2x, we solve this equals 0 or this equals 0. So when we solve this equals 0, we divide by 2 and we ln both sides. So we cancel out the ln and the e. We have only the power 2x. And if we use a calculator, we will get a math error. So this is undefined. This is impossible. There's no solution from here. Now from here, we can move the cos 2x to the right. So we subtract both sides with cos 2x. And then we divide both sides by cos 2x. So if we divide, we get sine over cos, which is tangent. So tangent 2x is minus 1. And to solve this trigonometric equation, we have to find the base angle. To find the base angle, that's the quadrant 1 angle, we use inverse tangent. Because of the minus 1, we have to use 1. Remember, we use the positive value, so we get the quadrant 1 base angle. And the domain is from 0 to pi over 2, but that's for x. The angle we are dealing with is 2x, so we multiply throughout by 2. 0 times 2, x times 2, pi over 2 times 2. So that means we use quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. Since the value of the tangent is something negative, that means we can only use quadrant 2, which means we use pi minus base angle. So 2x equals pi minus pi over 4, that's 3 pi over 4, which means the x is 3 pi over 8. And now we find the y by plugging into the original curve equation, e to the 2x minus sine 2x. So this is the x. From here we simplify, we get 3 pi over 4, and here you use a calculator, you get pi over 2, root 2 over 2. So the final answer is x comma y. Alright, that's it. I'll see you again next time.